Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be part 2 of installing LED strip lights, but this time in my bedroom. So if you have watched that, the playroom install LED lights video, if you've watched that, I might put it in the description, not sure yet, but if you remember the packaging, when I reach the ones downstairs, got two boxes, one under the desk and one for the shelf. But here, as you can see, like they've updated their packaging a bit, and it has a nighttime mode, so it lasts for 30 minutes and it turns off. So it's only on an orange colour, I can't choose it. So yeah, that's a lot more different, a lot more done their packaging now, so yeah, hope you do enjoy part 2 of installing LED lights. So yeah, hope you do enjoy. Hi guys, so we're installing the LED lights, the same brand, into my room. So enjoy this video, the installing video. Be voiceover obviously, but yeah, copyrights are precious now, but hope you enjoy. And if you watch video, that last video I uploaded, it was first episode of my bedroom makeover project, and if you watched that, you would have saw the truck was getting sanded off the wall and bits around the car. So yeah, and if you haven't seen it already, you should watch it. And as you see here, this is the old room. So next week I'll upload part 2 of my room project. Right, so at the moment, as you just do, you just peel off the double-sided tape off the back of the LED strip. Really simple. So yeah, and then you just push it up in place. Done. Simple, you know. They're so easy to install. But the new packaging, the updated one that has got sleep mode on it now, came with like some type of wipe so you can clean the surface before you stick it down. Suggest you didn't have to, but yeah, that's the updated bit. So here we are, installed. Looks nice. So you enjoyed the last shots, and yeah, hope you did enjoy this video. So yeah, very quick video. This is the playroom one, installing the LED lights. But yeah, to show you the shots here of my old room. Then on part 2 coming next week, Wednesday, I will be doing a stream this Sunday. Sorry for the 2 week gap, no strings, just needed a break. So yeah, that's my honest answer. So yeah, if you did enjoy, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, turn post notification, and notified of every video uploads as always. You see, look, got it on the mode, you can choose what colour you want. I'll be on static colour, I'm just going through all the modes, so it changes and that, so yeah, so that's quite cool. Yeah, hope you do enjoy part 2 next week in my bedroom makeover project. Then you'll see the room getting painted, and once it's finished, you'll see the LEDs of the room. So yeah, thought I'd upload this now, probably the right time too. So yeah, did enjoy. See you guys for the rest of the video. Peace. So guys, all it says on here, for sleep mode, it takes half an hour to turn off. So, been up here for 20 something minutes already. I need to wait 10 more minutes. So yeah, that's recording for ages, so it's going to be a lot of editing. Enjoy this install video with the LEDs at the moment. It's like a slimmer box. It's the same brand, but they've customised their packaging. Looks quite good now. Looks better, yeah, I think. Back onto the voiceover. But since my dinner's getting ready, so I'm going to come up after dinner and we'll click the camera. And you guys have seen it. Hopefully it works, because when I'm asleep this will be cool, so I'll film it when I go to bed and see if it's too bright or does it work. Enjoying the install video whenever this will be out. There we go.